What it do, YouTube, man? It's your boy Carolina Styles, man. I am back with another video, man. Before I get into the video, man, y'all see that new intro? That new intro fire. My boy Randy Sad with the beats, man. I'm gonna put his link in the description, man. Monster with the beats, man. Nasty with him, I promise you. He made that beat within 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes, dog. For real, for real. But I just want to thank everybody for the love and support that y'all been giving me. In a week's time, no sponsors, no nothing. In a week's time, over 300 views on one video, almost 200 views on the second video, and it literally just been a week since I uploaded. And I just want to appreciate everybody for the love and support. I hope y'all continue to support and rock with your boy through this process. It's good, man. This is only the small level. It's only up from here, man. But this video is different, guys. It's not about the Ultimate. It's about my 2004 Ranger. I did a front end conversion kit on it, y'all. I tell you, I love the end process. No disrespect to Ford, I couldn't stand how my truck had looked in the front. And before I bought the truck, I already had it in my mind. If I can't find a truck that's a 2001 on up, I was gonna do the front end conversion kit on this one. So I couldn't find it, and then I found a couple of them, but I couldn't beat this price and the miles on this truck, man. I got under 150K on a 2004 Ranger, man. Runs good, man. Runs real good. But I'm gonna show y'all, and I'm gonna tell y'all what y'all need to do the front end conversion kit. If you got an older model and you trying to make it look like a 2001 on up, there's only a few things that you need. You need the header panel, a front grille, and you need some new headlights, because you won't be able to use the headlights off of your old header panel in front of your truck. You need to buy some new ones. You can't use the grille because once you do the new header panel, it's going to take out that little space, and you're going to have a big opening space on the side underneath your lights. You do not want that. That shit look tacky. It looks very tacky. And that header panel is the next thing you need. That's the most important thing you need, is those three things. A lot of people go and make it look like a complete 2001 by changing the front bumper and the hood. You do not, I repeat, you do not have to change the hood and the front bumper. My truck came with a 2001 front bumper. You don't have to change it. Mine came with it though. And I still got the original 2000 hood. So if you hear any rumors about you got to change the whole entire front end, the hood and bumper included, you don't have to do that, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it, and I'm gonna show y'all my process on how I did mine. And I need y'all to stay tuned. Make sure y'all watch the whole video for how I did the whole thing in the end product, man. It's your boy Carolina Styles, man. I really appreciate the love and support. I need y'all to support me more and run them views and the subscribers up. I'm trying to tell y'all, it's gonna be a whole bunch of bangers this year, man. Whole bunch of bangers. The grind do not stop. I'm trying to make my dream into a reality. That's my goal, and that's my catchphrase, making my dream into a reality. But I'm not gonna bore y'all with all this talking, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Watch this end product. I'll holla at y'all. here's the end product. It's literally been about 5-6 months after the video, after I recorded that. Some of the audio in the video actually got cut out because my stands was making a lot of noise on my GoPro. But like I said, I'm sorry about that. But if you have any questions, just hit me up in the comment section. I'm gonna have another one coming about the light bar. The light bar actually do work. I actually hooked it up myself. Gotta go back in here and actually spray the header panel. You see it starting to peel. That's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Man, I really appreciate everybody who stayed and watched this whole video and watched this video. Man, make sure you like, share, subscribe, turn that notification up. And this gonna be Caroline Style signing out. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.